Imagine cutting your electricity bills drastically just by switching to smarter ceiling fans. That's the revolution Atomberg started. Watch this till the end to learn how technical innovation, perseverance, and sharp consumer focus led them from near bankruptcy to becoming India's fastest growing appliance maker. Number 1. What does Atomberg do? Atomberg makes smart, energy efficient home appliances focusing on ceiling fans using patented BLDC motor technology, which consumes 65% less electricity than regular fans. They have expanded into mixer grinders and other kitchen appliances, blending tech innovation with sleek design. Number 2. Founder story. Manoj Meena, an electrical engineer from Rajasthan, and Sibabrita Das, an electronics expert from ODISHA, founded Atomberg after graduating from IIT Bombay in 2012. Their initial product was a prototype motor that saved electricity but didn't have immediate commercial success. After years of R&D and pivoting, they launched consumer products focusing on energy efficiency, backed by consumer awareness campaigns. Number 3. Scale of the company. Atomberg surpassed 1,000 crore revenue mark in FY25. They have 1,000 plus offline stores in metros and tier 1 cities, and they dominate online fan sales with over 50% e-commerce market share. They employ over 600 people across R&D, manufacturing and sales. Number 4. What are they challenging to disrupt? Disrupting an appliance market dominated by China, they challenge the belief that energy efficient fans are expensive and hard to access for Indian consumers. Atomberg uses D2C sales combined with influential partnerships to build trust and education. Number 5. Unique traits about Atomberg. Pioneer of BLDC fans in India, combining advanced motor tech with modern design aesthetics tailored to Indian homes. They have a comprehensive after-sales network and warranty programs uncommon in this sector. Strong user education helps transition price-conscious consumers to value long-term savings. Digital-first marketing creates category awareness, including influencer campaigns and educational content. Number 6. Impressive stats about Atomberg. 1,000 crore revenue in FY25 from 650 crore in FY23. A 56% CAGR in just 2 years. Dominates 50% of India's online energy efficient fan market. Mixer, grinder and kitchen appliance segments growing at 60% annually. Number 7. Deep consumer insight. Indian consumers want energy saving but need strong proof and product reliability assurance. Atomberg's 65% less power consumption claims was backed by independent testing to build trust. Price sensitivity meant their initial marketing focused on long-term cost saving and warranty rather than just technical specifications. Many Indian homes face power instability. Their appliances work efficiently even in low voltage or power cut conditions. Number 8. Market analysis. Indian consumer appliance market valued at $8 billion plus, growing at 20% CAGR, driven by urbanization and smart home trends. Competitor includes Crompton and Havells, but Atomberg leads the niche by marrying tech innovation with consumer education. Energy efficient appliances is a niche which is rapidly becoming mainstream because of rising electricity costs and environmental awareness. Number 9. Future ahead for Atomberg. Atomberg plans an ambitious IPO in 2026 to finance innovation and overseas expansion, developing India's first made-in-India AC with BLDC tech by 2026, aiming to reduce import dependency. Number 10, and the most important of all, learnings for viewers. Deep technical innovation combined with relentless consumer education breaks price and trust barriers. Building local manufacturing capabilities enhances cost control and branding authenticity. Digital first with offline robust presence fuels fast category penetration, and persistence pays off despite early near bankruptcy and so many challenges. Atomberg is still growing successfully. Atomberg's journey is a masterclass in combining deep tech R&D with consumer first marketing and relentless hustle to disrupt traditional markets. Thank you for watching it till the end. Please like this video, comment down what did you learn from this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such case studies. See you at the next episode of Disruptors. Thank you, tada, bye bye.